to fight against this corona, Konkan Railway has taken many initiatives. First of all, we have removed these curtains in the AC coaches. We have withdrawn the blankets being supplied to the passengers. And passengers are requested to get their own blankets if they require. And we will be regulating the temperature of the coaches to 25 degrees centigrade. And those are the guidelines received from the Railway Ministry. Then there is one helpline number 10722 which has been activated. So anybody who is having symptoms or feeling like he's being affected, then he can contact on this number. Necessary treatment would be given by Konkan Railway. Then we have put posters, banners indicating do's and don'ts regarding corona. Then we have started sanitizing coaches, then workplaces like commercial ticket counters, then reservation counters, then escalator. We have started disinfection of this. Then including coaches, those coaches of the trains which are being maintained by Konkan Railway and owned by Konkan Railway, those train coaches are getting disinfected in our maintenance pit line at Madgaon. Today's, if you want to have a look at it, you can wait till this Konkan is arriving. It's coming at around 12 o'clock, and you can see actually disinfection of these coaches.